Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can add playlist on your YouTube channel. So you click on the app. If you have downloaded the YouTube app on your phone, you click on it. Then you click on the side picture of your channel. Click on your channel. So when you click on your channel, you are going to see the videos you have done before. So you select on any video you want to add to a playlist. So for example, I'm going to add this to a playlist. So you can say save to a playlist. Then I have already created a playlist before, so I'm going to create a new one. So if you have created a playlist, you can add one from, you can select it and add it. So but if you have not added any, it will show you new playlist. So you click on new playlist to create one, any title you want. So I'm going to use this for example. So the privacy, you change it to public. Anyhow you want it, you can change it to private. You can change it to unlisted. You can change it to public so that everyone can see it. Then you create it. So playlist created. So now you can add any video you want to add to that playlist. So let me add this. Then you can see the list of playlists I have. Then I mark it and done. So to see your playlist, you can just go here on top, you see playlist. So you can see the playlist was updated today. So this is how to add playlists to your YouTube channel. Please, if you're new in this channel, please subscribe. And playlists really help you to get more viewers and make your YouTube look more presentable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.